Assalamualaikum friends. In today's video I will show you how to create a calculator by using Python. So without wasting time we understand its functionality. So here is our Python code. Here we go. Here is our Python code. First we will build our functions def sum calculation cal. We also describe it calculation. We pass arguments a and b and display here result. We take a variable is equal to result, so result is equal to a plus b. It's our sign a plus b. We use it in the below. Result is equal to a plus b. Print result, return result, print result, and return also result. So difference, we also take another functions def difference calculation. Difference calculations, a we pass arguments a and b and result is equal to a minus b and print result, return result. So we take another function for multiplication def multiplication calculations, passing arguments a and b. Result is equal to a multiplied by b, print result, return also result. So def dividing, for dividing we also take a function def divide calculations, passing arguments a and b. Result is equal to a divided by b, print result, return result. So while we use while loop for display, for writing numbers and sum and giving sums etc. So while true we use an infinite loop. While true, num1 is equal to int users inputs. Int input enter a number. First user enter a first number and selecting sign. Here selecting sign we take variable sign is equal to input enter operator. Here we take another number 2 is equal to integer. It's a pre-built form of Python. Here for giving integers, input is a pre-built form of Python. For entering numbers, enter a number, and if signs is equal to plus, answer is equal to this function shows answer is equal to sum calculations. We passing arguments number 1 and number 2 for sum calculate. So if these conditions false, users inputs minus, sign is equal to minus, user input minus. So then perform these conditions, answer is equal to difference calculator number 1 and number 2. So if these conditions false, signs is equal to multiply, then perform these conditions, answer is equal to multiply calculations number 1 and number 2. And if these conditions false, then perform these dividing conditions, sign is equal to divide, answer is equal to divide calculations number 1 and number 2. If these conditions are false, then perform this condition, else print enter a valid sign for validation. Here we take it for validation. Here user choice, we take user choice for yes or not, that if user print yes, then calculate continue, and if user search no, then calculates break. So user choice is equal to input enter your choice, use yes or no. If user choice is equal to yes, continue, loops continue, this loop will continue again. If user choice not equal to no, user choice is equal to no, user choice equals to no, then break loop. These loops are break. So we see result. Here we can see enter first number. Here is our first number. We enter any numbers and then enter operator. You can see here operator. Here we select operator divide. We select here operator divide. Here we enter another number 2, then we can see 34. Here we can see divide these conditions, stars and answers these. Here we can see if, and this condition now starting user choice, starting enter user choice. If I want to calculate continue calculate, so yes, we print yes, and loops continues again. So here we can see 56 multiplied by 90. So we can see result. If now if we print false, if we print no, then loop breaks, here you can see loop breaks. So it's our calculation, it's our simple calculator by creating the Python. So we will meet in the next video. So Allah Hafiz.